Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about my 6-quart or 7-quart crock pot. It's 6 or 7, whatever. It's a normal size crock pot, and this set actually came with the little fondue pot, which is, they actually call it the little dipper. And this is actually quite a cool little set. I mean, your normal crock pot, I mean, it's actually, this one is the, I think this is the travel version, or if they just all come like this, I'm not sure. But this one actually has the locks on the lid, so you can actually travel with it, and it doesn't actually come off. Same basic ceramic pot, and this one has your high, your low setting. You can see, obviously, we use it a fair amount. It's held up. We actually got this for our wedding registry back in 2016, and it has held up perfectly. I mean, it simply plugs into the wall, and we've made, I don't know how many meals in this, but there is the high, low, and then there's just a keep warm setting. But this little guy here is perfect if you're making a fondue or you're making something that's that requires nachos and dip. Basically, what I do is I cut up those big bricks of cheese melt, pop them in here, plug this guy in. There's actually no switch on it. Basically, I mean, that might be the only switch. Let's see. No, so there's no switch on this. Essentially, it's just plug it in. It gets hot. It gets warm. Unplug it, and it turns off. But it's perfect. It has a little lid. Yeah, this is actually why I bought the set of the two. So, goodbye overall. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.